Another year, another keyboard unboxing. And what a great time to be alive, guys. I've never been so excited about an ROG mechanical keyboard until today. So in this video, I'll give you a quick unboxing, overview, and sound test of the new and still upcoming ROG AZOTH 75% wireless mechanical keyboard. So let's get into it. In terms of the packaging, there's nothing new here. We still have that familiar black and red colorway with tons of branding and key features around. At the back of the box, we have more vital information, but essentially, what's significant here is that this keyboard features tri-mode connectivity, OLED display, and intuitive controls. It uses standard mechanical switches and a bunch of features that are commonly targeted towards keyboard enthusiasts. Upon opening the box, the first thing that will pop out is the welcome note from the Republic of Gamers, pretty standard stuff. What's cool here is that the ROG AZOTH itself is nicely protected by a soft touch fabric that adds more to that premium feel of the unboxing experience. Underneath this cardboard platform, we have a nicely tucked in accessory box and a couple of paperwork. So aside from the ROG welcome note, we have the warranty guide and the quick start guide written in different languages. And of course, we gotta have some fancy ROG stickers to flex. Now inside the accessory box, we have a bunch of items here that you won't typically get from an ROG keyboard, and something that gives us an idea that ROG is finally ready to cater not only to gamers but also to the fast-growing mechanical keyboard enthusiast and would like to take a piece of that pie. First, we have the standard braided USB Type-A to Type-C cable, a switch lube which apparently is a Crytox 205 grade 0, pretty standard. Then we have a USB Type-A to Type-C adapter should you choose to use the cable to extend the range of the 2.4 GHz USB dongle. We also have the ROG branded metal switch puller and an ROG branded plastic keycap puller that we've already seen before. Another new thing here is this switch opener made out of hard plastic. This is compatible with both Cherry MX style switches and Kill style switches and the like. We also have a lubing brush right here, and we even have a switch lubing station made out of acrylic plastic. Not only that, but we also have 8 stabilizer mats, a paperwork with QR code for some online guides, and 3 ROG NX Red switches. Overall, package content-wise, you pretty much have everything you need to start your mechanical keyboard hobby journey. And with that, I suggest you join our community, Keyboard Addicts PH. Only if you understand the Filipino language though. Now let's take a look around the ROG AZOTH. At first look and touch, you'll definitely feel the overall better build quality of this keyboard compared to most mainstream pre-built boards out in the market. It features an aluminum top housing with a plastic bottom case to allow for better wireless transmission. It weighs just over a kilogram, which isn't too crazy, but definitely has some heft to it. Now, unlike other gaming keyboards from ROG, this is a gasket mount keyboard, which is a feature commonly known from enthusiast-centric keyboards. So having that here is really exciting. It also features hot swappable switches, which is not new from ROG, but happy to see it here as well. In terms of the layout, it features a typical exploded 75% form factor with gaps between some of the knob cluster keys, the dedicated arrow keys, the function rows up top, and of course, the alphanumeric keys. Now, what I like about this, as gimmicky as it looks, is the multifunction controls here at the upper right corner with an OLED panel. An OLED display on a keyboard is nothing new, but the way they've implemented it here adds a little bit more functionality to it than just displaying quirky emojis and animations. The aluminum top case looks very clean, partnered with the absolutely simple, clean, and minimal ROG PBT double shot keycaps. Now, flipping it on the front side, we can see the 2 material construction and a subtle ROG logo on the left corner. Flipping it on the left side, as you can tell, this keyboard features a sort of high-profile case since the switches are still barely visible. Of course, as an ROG keyboard, it should have some sort of gamery polygonal design. The keycap's profile is quite similar to the Cherry profile. Turning it all over to the other side, we'll see the multifunction knob that not only functions as a 3-way knob but also as a side button. Of course, I can only imagine that these are highly customizable using the Armoury Crate software. Looking at the bottom, this is where we can find the typical gamery look ROG is known for, with the iconic massive ROG eye logo and some patterns all over the place. As you can tell, we have 4 rubber feet and 2 flip-out stands with another 2 shorter ones underneath them. I almost forgot, we also have the back side where we have the switch for the tri-mode connectivity, the USB Type-C port on the other side, and the 2.4 GHz USB dongle magnetically tucked inside here. It has an ROG brand to it, so no guessing game in case you throw it alongside your other USB dongles. Overall, again, what I like most about this keyboard, at least from this initial unboxing, is the nifty multifunction OLED panel with physical controls on its side. I can already imagine the different cool and funny things we can display here. And also, these default PBT double shot keycaps look and feel really nice compared to the old ABS keycaps from ROG. The layout is pretty standard as well and easy to customize. Now, before I let you go, here's a quick out-of-the-box sound test for you guys. And there you have it guys. Like I said earlier, this is just an unboxing video and I'm quite excited to explore this keyboard more and share with you my thoughts as a mechanical keyboard enthusiast. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. The price and availability of this keyboard are still up in the air, but I've heard it could be around 14,000 Philippine pesos. What I have here is a review sample from ROG. Thanks by the way ROG. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day guys. You're awesome. Watch out for the full review. Have a great day.